Why do we sneeze when we are exposed to bright light? While the exact cause is unknown, it's believed to be due to crossed wires in the brain. Bright light stimulates the optic nerve. When you see a bright light, your optic nerve sends a signal to your brain. In people with photic sneeze reflex, the optic nerve is somehow connected to the trigeminal nerve, which controls the nose and face. The signal from the optic nerve is misinterpreted by the trigeminal nerve as an irritant in the nose, leading to a sneeze. It's a fascinating quirk of human biology that's still being studied by scientists. Do you have photic sneeze reflex? If you want more content like this, please subscribe.